Hello friends, welcome to my channel Physics and Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss about the reaction of carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates with acids produces carbon dioxide gas, or when the hydrochloric acid reacts with the carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates and it evolves the carbon dioxide gas. So to this activity we need some materials required. So let's see. So materials required. So I show in the diagram only. Let's see. Okay, we need the 2 test tubes and dilute hydrochloric acid, stand, cork, thustophenol, delivery tube, and sodium carbonate, calcium hydroxide. This is also called as the lime water. Okay, lime water. Next, at the same time, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. So let's enter to the procedure. So that all are the materials required. So in the procedure, first we should arrange all the equipments as shown in the figure. So first point. So that is the first point. So in second point, take the 2 test tubes. Take the 2 test tubes and we take the 0.5 ml of the sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate in the test tube A and B. Okay. Next, we need to add the 2 ml of the dilute hydrochloric acid. Add the 2 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid. So we need to pass the gas produced when in each case through lime water. So in another test tube, we take the lime water. These 2 test tubes we need to connect it with the delivery tube. So when the hydrochloric acid is reacts with the sodium carbonate, it releases the carbon dioxide gas. So we pass that carbon dioxide gas through the delivery tube into the lime water. So when it enters to the lime water, the color of the lime water enters into the milky white color. It enters into the milky white color. So with the help of the color of the calcium hydroxide or lime water only, we know here the carbon dioxide gas is passed. Okay. So when the lime water turns to the milky white color, so we need to observe some reactions. So when sodium carbonate, it is solid, reacts with the 2 ml of hydrochloric acid and it releases the 2 ml of sodium chloride, water plus carbon dioxide gas. So it is an aqueous solution and hydrochloric also aqueous solution and it is a liquid. So when same in place of the sodium carbonate, we just take the sodium hydrogen carbonate. When sodium hydrogen carbonate reacts with the hydrochloric acid, it releases the NaCl plus H2O plus carbon dioxide gas. So that is when the reactions, the carbon dioxide passes through the calcium hydroxide or lime water solution. So how can we write it here? Calcium hydroxide reacts with the carbon dioxide, then it releases the calcium carbonate plus water. So it is on the white precipitate. So here we observe that from here to the carbon dioxide gas is passes through the delivery tube and it reacts with the lime water. It turns to the milky white. Then it releases the white precipitate, that is a calcium carbonate. Okay, so that is next. On passing the excess of the carbon dioxide, following reaction can be the takes place. So when calcium carbonate plus water plus carbon dioxide, then it releases the CaHCO3, means calcium hydrogen carbonate. So it is soluble in the water. Soluble in water. So from this activity we can conclude that when the oxide metal carbonates or hydrogen metal hydrogen carbonates also, it reacts with the acids and it releases the carbon dioxide gas. So these are the chemical reactions and these are the diagram. Next it is on the process. Okay, so here we need to take the some precautions also. In that precautions we can take the, when we are handling the acids we should handle with care only. So once again I repeat it. So arrange all the materials as shown in the figure. So first we take the sodium carbonate in the test tube A and we close it with the help of the Thustel funnel and it connects with the help of the delivery tube into that another test tube. Okay, so in the sodium carbonate we just add the 2 ml of the hydrochloric acid, then it releases the carbon dioxide gas and it passes through the delivery tube and it mix it with the lime water. At the time the color of the lime water turns into the milky white color, means it releases the white precipitate. So then only we know that carbon dioxide gas is releases there. Okay, so that is, so instead of the sodium carbonate we can take the sodium hydrogen carbonate also. At the time also we can absorb the white precipitate. When sodium hydrogen also carbon reacts with the hydrochloric acid, then it releases the carbon dioxide gas. So when the carbon dioxide gas is really reacts with the lime water, then we absorb the calcium carbonate and water. So when the calcium carbonate and water is passes through the carbon dioxide, then we get the calcium hydrogen carbonate. So this, it is soluble in the water. Okay, so I hope you understand. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.